Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I just want to start off by saying I'm so sorry for disappearing without saying anything. Not that any of you probably noticed, but my excuse is that with school starting up and work combined, I just couldn't find time to really sit down and play with makeup, let alone record it. So that's why I've been so inactive on here. But anyways, I hope to get back in the swing of things, especially when school starts to slow down again and we go into break and everything. So yeah. Okay, so today we're going to be going back into the Zodiac series, and I am going to be doing a Scorpio look today. So the website I'm using today to get my information from is astrology-zodiac-signs.com. And yeah, let's get into it. Scorpio's element is water. The colors that are associated with it, according to this website, are scarlet, red, and rust. I'm gonna sneak my own colors in, even though I'm not like an expert. But when I think of Scorpios, I also think of purple, so I might throw in some purple too. It says that their ruling planet is Pluto and Mars. It says that Scorpios are also resourceful, brave, passionate, stubborn, and a true friend. It says that they are also distrusting, jealous, secretive, and violent. It says that Scorpios like truth, facts, being right, longtime friends, teasing, and a great passion. And their dislikes are dishonesty, revealing secrets, and passive people. So what I'm getting from the information from this website is that their colors are very dark, very passionate people, very strong people, and they're very brave. So I'm gonna hopefully tie that into my look today, and I kind of have an idea as to what I want to do, but who knows? It never goes the way that I plan, so we'll see about that. Okay, I'm gonna start off by doing my eyebrows, and I'll be right back. It's the same thing every time, so I'm just gonna cut through it and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back and my eyebrows are done, and just in case you want to know what products I used for my eyebrows, I used the e.l.f. eyebrow pomade in the shade Espresso, and I used the concealer from NYX, which is the HD Studio Photogenic Concealer in the shade CW02. Now I'm going to prime my lids by putting that concealer on my eyelids, and I'll be back again. Okay, and now I'm gonna set the concealer with the Jeffree Star Translucent Setting Powder. So I think what I'm gonna do for this look is a purple, red, orange, smoky eye. I'm gonna attempt it. Okay, I'm gonna attempt it. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with the crease color, and I'm gonna take the Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm gonna go in with this middle shade called Roxanne and start putting that in my crease. Okay, now that I just put that color in the crease, I'm gonna get the same color and just buff it out a little bit. Okay, so quick question for you guys. How have you been during lockdown? I know it's been hard for a ton of people. It's been hard for me, to say the least, as well, but on the bright side is me or my family still has yet to get sick or anything. So on the bright side, that is a good thing. School has been a little different, not too different for me, just because before lockdown and everything happened, I was already taking 2 online classes, so switching to all online wasn't that big of a deal for me. I mean, it was weird, but not like way out of line for me to get used to. I hope you and your family are staying safe and healthy, and that nothing too drastic is changing for you. But other than that, have you guys developed any new hobbies? I haven't. I wish I did, but I honestly don't really have the time to. But like, if you're one of those people who have to stay home still, are you guys doing anything like picking up new hobbies, or I don't know, doing fun things inside? If so, let me know in the comments. I would love to hear about it. Okay, now that I put that color in the crease and I blended it out a little bit, I'm going to go in with a darker red shade. I'm gonna go in with this darker, oops, not that one, this one, this burnt orangey color, and it's called Hunts, and I'm gonna put that in the crease as well. Okay, to now start helping the transition from the burnt oranges, red shades to the purple, I'm gonna go in with this purpley brown shade called Chip and stick that in the crease as well. Okay, ignore how stained my brush is. I've tried cleaning it and if for some reason it won't come out. But for the purple shade, we're gonna go in with the Jeffree Star Alien palette and take the shade Area 51 and try to start packing that onto the actual eyelid. I'm gonna go in under where the waterline is in my lower lash line with the orange shades. And I'm gonna go back in with the Jaclyn Hill palette with the same orangey red shades underneath, and I'm using the fluffier brush just because I want it to be a little bit more diffused. And I'm only gonna go like a quarter in. I'm not gonna go all the way into like my tear duct area just because I want to give that appearance of it being very smoked out and wide towards the corner of my eye. Okay, actually for my waterline, I think I'm gonna go in with a nude eyeliner and just line my waterline. I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. H2O proof eyeliner pen, and it says to shake it. Okay, so I know they don't match, but this is the closest I'm going to get because I keep fixing them and it's not working. So time for the face. I'm gonna go in with the Juvia's Place I Am Magic Velvety Matte Foundation, and yeah, I'm gonna take a brush and put that on my face. This foundation will go everywhere, so meaning like in a good way. It's very full coverage if you can't already tell. Oh, I didn't tell you what shade my foundation's in. It's in Cairo or 600. The foundation, oh my god, take the concealer and dot underneath my eyes. Go on the sides, on the chin, on the forehead. Yep. Oh, I look a little crazy. I'm gonna have to go in with that eyeshadow again. Oh my god, I look like a ghost. I'm gonna have to go in with that eyeshadow again underneath my eye just because me patting in the concealer is making it disappear. Okay, now that we just did that, I'm gonna go in with the Jeffree Star setting powder, translucent, and set it in. Okay, so for bronzer, I'm gonna go in with the Tarte bronzer in the shade Park Ave Princess and bronze. Okay, so for blush, I'm gonna go in with the ColourPop Super Shock Cheek Blush in the shade Drop of a Hat. A little on the nose, a little above the mouth. And then for highlighter, I'm gonna go in with the ColourPop Super Shock Cheek Highlighter in the shade Goody Two Shoe. Okay, lips. It would only be fitting to go in with a Jeffree Star Velour Liquid Lipstick in the shade Scorpio. I need a new one of these. It's running out. Man, I wish I had like lip liner that matched this. You know what? I'm gonna do the outsides of my, okay, I look crazy. I'm gonna use this for the outside of my lips, and then I'm gonna go in with another purple color. What I planned for, I didn't know this is what this was called, but we're gonna go in with Sagittarius. I'm sorry that I'm bringing in another sign in this, but you know, I need more of this. So we're gonna have to go in with a similar shade, Sagittarius, and fill the rest in with that. Okay, so there's the lips done. Now I'm gonna go in with mascara and then lashes, and then we'll be done. Okay guys, so this is the finished Scorpio look, and I hope you guys like it. And if you do, please let me know down in the comments, and if you try it out, also let me know. I would love to see it. If you're wondering what eyelashes I used today, I used the Trashy Cosmetics eyelashes in the style Famous, and if you like them, you can use my discount code KylieMUE for 20% off your order. Yeah, so I hope you guys really like this look, and if you're a Scorpio, let me know, and I hope this look represents you. If you liked this video, please leave a like and hit the subscribe button down below. It would really help me out. And yeah, I hope to see you guys next time, and thanks so much for watching. Bye!